Namaste. My name is Varalakshmi, and today we are going to talk about meditation. It is very, very important to understand what is meditation, and with that understanding, we will be able to figure out how it can help us in our journey. So what is meditation? When you are in union with the thing that you are focused on, that union happens, and meditation is a byproduct of that union. So what is this union with? This union is your union with divinity. So with that understanding, if we start our practice, then our mind will be focused onto something that is higher than us, bigger than us. We are in union with Source, with creation. So today when you practice, remember that you are not just this human form, you're also an energy, and you are in union with this vast creation. But it's easy to forget with our day-to-day life. So the meditation that we are going to do today is going to calm you down, settle you down, and help you in this connection. So whenever you are ready, come to a sitting position, eyes closed, slow inhale and exhale. Just listen to the voice and slow down everything. Slow down your breath, let go of your thoughts, and just focus on your breath. Inhale, hold your breath, and exhale. We can do this 5 more times. Take a deep inhale, hold, and exhale through your mouth. Inhale, hold, and exhale. Inhale, hold, and exhale. 2 more counts. Inhale, hold, and exhale. 1 last count. Inhale, hold that breath, and slowly exhale. Drop down your neck. Feel your breath slow down, your mind getting calm, and very softly open your eyes and come out. So I assume you're on your mat, so just lie down on your mat. You're ready to go into the next level of this guided meditation. So lie down on your mat. Inhale and exhale. Make yourself comfortable. Pull your shoulder away from your ears. Arms open. Legs are relaxed. And let go. You let go of your body. Feel your body become light. Now focus on your toes. Feel your toes getting relaxed. Your ankles are relaxed. Your calf muscles are relaxed. Feel your knees and your thighs slowly getting relaxed. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale through your mouth. Another inhale and exhale through your mouth. Now, feel your hips getting relaxed. Your lower back is relaxed. Feel your stomach getting relaxed. Your chest are relaxed. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale through your mouth. Now feel your upper back and your lower back getting fully relaxed. Feel your arms and your fingertips getting fully relaxed. Inhale and exhale. Now feel your neck getting relaxed and your face, your tongue and your jaws. Feel your face getting relaxed. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale through your mouth. Now, feel your forehead getting relaxed, your head, your back of your head, your entire body is relaxed. Inhale and slowly exhale through your mouth. Stay here for a few seconds. And in this state, feel deeply connected with yourself. The self that is love. The self that is calm. The self that is in union with Source. The self that is powerful, abundant, compassionate. You are deeply aligned with yourself and the world around you. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. Now slowly come back to yourself. Move your toes, move your fingers, move your head slowly from side to side. And whenever you're ready, take a deep inhale, slowly exhale, and open your eyes. Slowly turn to your right side and sit in Sukhasana. Feel the calmness that is in you and around your aura. Take this calmness in everything that you do today or the next day. And if you want to get more meditation like this one, don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. And I will see you in the next video. Namaste.